Today we're at Sema 2021. Come along with us as we check out some very cool hot rods. We'll see Foose's rides, some other lowriders, and just some power. So follow along. This is the 4x4 Fab Shop.
The normal thing, right? Where you're just picking like Philadelphia, neighborhood box, right? And then the other thing will be like, yeah.
So we're in the Foose section here. Nice old 65. Like how they Frenched in the taillights and put a vet style gas cap lid on it. While these aren't 4x4s and not all of them are trucks, you gotta really appreciate the quality and detail in the work. If you enjoy our stuff on our channel, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we get new videos. Always looking for more feedback.
Cheers, John.
Yeah, so actually on the counter, it's not a core, it's not the 4-lane core.
And I just seen Don Prudhomme.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
57 Chevy with looks like an old caddy window. It's pretty clean build. It's a pretty sick old all blacked out truck. ZR1 vet engine. It's a pretty nice old Chevy. Air ride suspension in it. That's some nice work. That's some lowriders there. My dad would love this truck. Nice little iron in front of one of the holes. Oh, love that old Willys. So Drop Starts here definitely has some pretty cool looking setup. Nice paint jobs. Put some time in that. And I really like this old sedan.
Oh yeah. You like that? Or you want that or that? Oh, you're calling. You're calling. All right.
Oh Willie. Oh Willies.
God, you keep everybody supplied.
Mother's got a really nice setup out here.
I just want to talk to you. I don't know what you're talking about. Scared the shit out of her. Who are you?
One of our favorite shows because in our backyard and all of our everyone the company goes. We give an exotic about that. Then we do it up here in town.
If you like lowrider trucks, it definitely is a cool lowrider truck. That's a cool truck. It's a pretty cool slammed old International. Interesting wrap. I guess if you like Joker. All the way back to the original. Hope you enjoyed this video. A little different for the Fab channel, but while we were at Sema, we see some pretty cool rides, so I thought it'd be good to show them off. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next build. This has been a 4x4 Fab Shop.